Bonjour, this is Marianne Lecoeur, author of How to be Chic and Elegant and The Tidy Closet. And today I wanted to show you what you could wear with a black and white dress like this one. You know, it's a heavy 3D material and it is very easy to accessorize. So what could you wear with it? I used to wear this dress when I used to work in an office, but I kept it because I love wearing it, in the winter. It's a winter dress. So I could wear it like today, with short sleeves. That is fine. If it's a little bit colder, you could wear a little vest underneath to keep the inside warm. But I say it's such a heavy wool material that it's warm. I've also got a jacket to go with this dress. So kept open or fastened up. It's nice. I can put the belt on top of the jacket. It looks amazing. So that's one thing. Easy. You could wear as well underneath a black top. This one, or plain without buttons. Really, it's up to you. You have to be careful of this neckline here because some tops don't look good with this, so you have to have a look at what you're going to wear. But today especially we're going to talk not about the shape or style of tops, but the colors. Okay, so you can wear the same black and white or black. With black and white you can wear black or white. It is fantastic. But with black and white you can wear any other color. Really, it is amazing. But we're going to see a couple of exceptions later on. So first of all, the same jacket, of course, no brainer. A black top or a white top. So black and white, you can wear black or white. Okay? But you can wear bright colors. Bright colors go very well with the black and white monochrome. So I said the bright colors because you want the color, the extra color, to pop. Okay, so don't wear any pastel colors. That will not stand out. That will just be too wishy-washy. Black and white are strong. It is the strongest contrast between the shades. Black and white, strong contrast. So if you add a third color, only if you have to. I like to keep usually my black and white outfit just black and white. But if you add another color, third color, I do sometimes, it has to be color that pops. Okay, red, bright red. Look at this, it pops. A bright pink, a bright purple. Okay, a bright blue. I said bright pink or bright yellow, bright orange. These colors pop. Of course, always choose the color, the bright color that suits you. I cannot wear yellow. It doesn't pop on me. Orange, it doesn't look good on me. So I don't wear these colors. But I wear bright pink. I wear bright purple. Looks good on me. Bright blue, red. I like these. They like me, and my goodness me, it pops on such a dress. So if you wear black and white, think about adding a bright color if you like to wear a third color. As you know, no more than 3 colors. In French chic, we don't wear more than 3 colors. So think 1 or 2, and only if you have to add a color will you add a third one. Okay, and do not pepper your outfit with 3 colors throughout. If you add a third color, just in one piece or a big piece like a top. So I would wear, for instance, let's say, example, I wear this red top underneath. It's red. So 1 extra color. But you can wear, a red ring or red earrings, red lipstick. That's fine. But don't add too many. For instance, a red top, and you have red shoes, and you would have red handbag, and red this, red that. That would be too much. Okay? So think about the third color as just one addition with a little bit maybe, on the side, like kind of a small earrings. So bright colors with black and white. Bright. They will pop out. They will be the focus. Don't forget that. They will be the focus of your outfit. So it has to pop and it has something that suits you. So I hope you enjoy this video. I get really excited about talking about colors and obviously, you know, outfit and French chic in general. So I hope you enjoyed that, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.